Welcome to another episode of the Tiny House Master Plan. Redesign and build a tiny house, take it on a tour of a lifetime, and then give it away. Now in this episode, we actually get to celebrate a new sponsor, Best Plumbing. And we're gonna go for a tour of their showroom. I hear it's gorgeous, but I haven't yet seen it for myself. So we're gonna go in, get a showing, and do some shopping. All right, let's go ahead and head on inside. Woo-wee. Stefan, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
Good.
Best Plumbing is a local lighting and plumbing distributor. We've been in Edmonton for over 40 years. We have all of our kitchen products. We have a bunch of lighting product from a variety of manufacturers. We have bathtubs, we have toilets, we have faucets from about 5, 6, or 7 different manufacturers.
Take us for a tour and show us your place.
Should we start in the kitchen?
Let's do it.
Fantastic, I'll lead the way. So here we have our kitchen. We have a variety of materials you can get your sink out of. We of course have stainless steel. That is the traditional go-to. It's cost effective, it's durable. And then our second option is going to be the silk granite material from Blanco. It's a granite and silicone amalgamation. It comes in 10 different colors. It's very, very durable, scratch resistant, and again, comes in that nice color. Because you have the tiny house and you're pulling it, weight is going to be important, size is going to be important. So I think that the granite material or the stainless are going to be a great option for you. Next is going to be how that basin's orientated. So we have single bowl basins, we have double bowl basins. I think for your application, a double bowl might work a little bit better. Either something like this, which is a 60-40 split, meaning the divider is obviously split on the 60-degree side, or a 50-50 split would be a really good option.
So there's different ways to mount though too, right?
There is.
You've got the underside one?
You got the undermounted. Undermounted is going to be attached to a solid surface material, such as a quartz or granite.
Let's talk about faucets.
Perfect. I got a big lineup of faucets here. Today we're going to be looking at the Pfister product. I just think they're going to give us the best bang for our buck. The most important thing on a faucet is that it's going to have solid brass construction and have ceramic cartridges. The cartridge is probably the most important part. It's the part that regulates your temperature and your pressure. Adding a ceramic cartridge inside the body of your faucet is going to give you longer lasting time with that faucet and make it easier to repair down the road. Black is one of the most popular colors right now. It doesn't show fingerprints, it doesn't show marking, which makes it a really nice selection for the kitchen.
Well, I gotta say, I am liking this one, but I'm gonna let Ron to help make a decision on that one.
Absolutely.
Should we go check out in the next area?
Absolutely. Let's go over to our plumbing section.
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
So here we have one of our premier companies, Riobel. They're a Canadian-owned company that's been making faucets for over 30 years. They, again, are going to be of solid brass construction. They're going to have the ceramic cartridges on the inside and plus a whole lot of other features that are going to make life easy, especially in a compact application such as yours. What they have a patent on is a thermostatic integrated diverter. That's a lot of words, but I'm going to make it simple for you. The small knob is going to control our temperature, plus and minus, and the larger paddle is going to control our functionality.
I'm loving everything you're saying. So let's review here. We've got a Canadian company.
Yep.
We've got really appropriate technology for water saving and getting your temperature to the desires you want.
Exactly, we're not wasting water.
Ways to control it as well. So we've got one for filling our Japanese soaker tub, and we also have one for having a shower head.
That's right.
Boom.
And for cleaning as well.
And that looks like a clean little mechanism here too. It looks very user-friendly.
It is. You don't need much to be able to just slide it up and slide it down. So very nice ergonomic control.
And I'm even just liking this one exactly that we're seeing. Like we talked about those angles, and it's got some of that. Do you want to show us a little bit more of a selection of plumbing?
Absolutely. Let's take a look at a couple different brands that we have right over the way here.
Okay. So much nice stuff.
With the Pfister, we're going to look at a very similar type of shape. We have a soft square, we have a nice simple shower head, and a nice simple hand shower. This one is going to be, again, just more simplistic to use potentially than the Riobel. I mean, we're on and we're off. We're super simple with this, right? And that's okay. It's nice to have something that's a more simplistic design.
I'm seeing more Riobel over there.
We do have some more Riobel over here. We have some of the Riobel Pro line, which is just a more cost-effective, basic version of the Riobel full line.
And that's what I saw on your website. I got really excited when I saw that.
That's the one that you got excited about. So this is going to be a wall-mounted faucet. What's nice about that is with our limited space, we have more counter space. It looks a little bit different because it's mounted to the wall, but it's going to function exactly the same as your normal deck-mounted faucet would.
Now, what about some of those accessories, the towel and the paper towel holder? And the...
Definitely. Let's take a look. I mean, we have almost a perfect match right here. If we're gonna go with a nice soft square, this will go well with either our wall-mounted faucet or the kit that we had originally looked at.
Stefan, this was amazing. Thank you so much for taking the time today to meet up with us, give us a little exclusive tour, and do some shopping with us.
It's been a lot of fun. Thank you so much for coming in. We really had a lot of fun today.
Awesome, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Tiny House Master Plan. If you want to win this amazing tiny house that we're building with all these incredible sponsors, be sure to subscribe here on the channel and go to the website and fill out the contest form. Okay, we'll see you on the next episode of the Tiny House Master Plan.
All right.
Doing all these squats. I should just psych you out. Be like, oh.